Hello and welcome to Health Services 411, a program designed to keep you updated, informed, and educated about activities, events, and policies of the BVI Health Services Authority. I'm your host, Marketing and Communications Manager, Natasha Letzam.
Okay, so we have the entourage from Rotary. We have with us the international president, Mr. Barry Rassin, and he's actually here today on behalf of Rotary to donate some equipment to the orthopedic unit. So what we're going to witness today, we're going to witness a brief handover ceremony, and also we're going to take them on a tour of the facilities. So today's 411, we're on the go.
Welcome again, good morning. It's our pleasure, our esteemed pleasure and honor to be here today to receive this wonderful donation at a value of $200,000 for orthopedic equipment. This moment has been long in the making, but as they say, persistence is the name of the game. We have been working with Dr. Tartasol on behalf of the Rotary since May of last year to get all of that you see here. So I would now, without further ado, ask our Honorable Minister to say a few words.
It is fitting that we are standing before a board. About 5 years ago, we basically requested, we sent out notice to the community that we will accept donations on behalf of the Health Services Authority to help build a hospital and build the facilities, the healthcare services for the Virgin Islands. And if you notice, we have people who have given us $1 million and all sorts of numbers. And this, I don't think this includes what was given for Virgin Gorda, because we're going to do a similar thing in Virgin Gorda. And so far, we have collected quite a sizable amount for Virgin Gorda to fit it out. How much? $425,000, and we're hoping to use that to fit out the facilities. But I just want to say thanks on behalf of the government and the people of the Virgin Islands for your kind contribution.
Honorable Minister and all those here from Peoples, Rotarians, dignitaries, truly a pleasure being from the healthcare industry to see Rotary continue to help with instrumentation which changes lives. And that's what it's all about. It's impacting people who otherwise wouldn't have access to certain procedures. So I can't say enough thank you to Rotary locally for what they've done, but also for, it's so impressive to be in such a nice facility right here in BVI that's taking care of your population, and you should be very proud of this. I look forward to the rest of the tour so that I can see it all, but I think this is fabulous. Rotary is so proud to be able to do this. Rotary is so proud to be able to move up to the next level on your list. So I congratulate you and I thank you for what you're doing.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Bhattacharya. In People's Hospital in BVI, we mostly serve the orthopedic trauma orthopedics due to the injury, the fracture. We haven't started doing the joint replacement, but majority of the cases are trauma, boat accident and motor vehicle accident. So what mostly we get the fracture dislocation of the hip, fracture of the thigh, the femur, fracture tibia and fibula, the leg, and the arms, all the bones. So these are the main fracture which need internal fixation, because you have to open and align them and put a pin and plate, or we can put a K-nail into the long bone fracture of the femur and tibia. So that's we need to start with. There are all sorts, because when I say pin and plate, so each patient is different. You have to measure up different size of plate and screws. So one set doesn't serve all. You have to have many different size and shapes. And what can I say? Thank you very much, Rotary, to help us, because we have been struggling for years to get this. and I want to see your name on the top of the list in future. Thank you.
I gladly accept on behalf of the Health Services Authority, and I sure the doctors will put it to their rightful use. And thanks to Rotary International again. And I hand it over to the chairman.
Yes, sir. The Rotary Club of Tortola is very pleased and happy to be able to present this donation today. Thank you.
Well, that's it for today's 411. Don't forget, a new chronic care program will be piloted by the BVI HSA in August to improve the management of chronic diseases in the territory. So stay tuned for more information as the BVI Health Services Authority continues its quest of delivering excellent, compassionate, client-centered healthcare.